Welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. Today on the grill we're going to be doing some chicken breasts and a nice savory marinade. Alright, so we got some 3 chicken breasts here. And what you're going to want to do is definitely trim that fat off. You can see all this nice white yellowish fat over here. We're just going to cut it all off. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got a nice little pile of fat over there. We took off. Now, when you cook the chicken breast, I don't want it flattened out like that. I'm going to put it on the grill just like this. Because when I cut it later, I don't want strips. I want little medallion-like pieces. But anyway, I'm going to jump into our next step here. Alright, so I'm just going to take these 3 chicken breasts, throw them in a Ziploc bag. And I'm going to add the marinade. Now, for the marinade today, I'm using a seasoning. It's called Gaucho Churrasco barbecue sauce. It's a Brazilian-inspired rub here. It's by Major Flavor Seasonings. This is some good stuff. I used it recently on a London broil, and it turned out amazing. So what I did here is I made the marinade already. I did 2 teaspoons of olive oil. I'm sorry, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, rather, to 1 tablespoon of his rub. So, all I'm going to do is put it in a bag, mix it around. Alright, so I mixed it around. Just took the air out of the bag. I'm just going to throw it in the fridge for a couple hours until I'm ready to cook. That's it. Alright guys, got the Weber all heated up. I just sprayed it with some oil. When you put this chicken on, you want it nice and hot. And you want to make sure it's nicely greased. Start putting this chicken on. Doing indirect today. I'm going to want to bring it up to 165 at least. We don't have to cook it to 185 like legs. There we go. Just going to let that go. I just probed them. The probe at 155. The one in the middle. A little more. I flipped them. They didn't really need to be flipped. I just wanted to flip them, make sure that they weren't sticking, which they weren't. So right now I'm putting on this glaze. This is Captain Ronnie's boucan dressing, boucan glaze. Now this is going to add some sweet and a little heat to our savory. So this is just going to turn into a flavor explosion. So I'm going to let this go for a couple minutes, flip it over, do the other side. And by then, it should be up to the perfect temp. Look how beautiful that looks. It looks very, very nice. So, we're just going to cut little medallions here. That's it. Now, we took this up to 165. That's all you need to do for chicken breast. Boneless chicken. Let's put it that way. Boneless chicken. But we used that rub by Major Flavor Seasonings. Check them out. I'm gonna put the link below. Then we used we finished it off with a little of that Captain Ronnie's boucan. That's some good stuff too. That's it. Give it a try. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see how juicy that is, but man, oh man, that looks really, really good. I'm gonna plate it up real fast here. Boom, 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 boom. That's it. Got some homemade broccoli turmeric rice that I made. This nice chicken. It's gonna complement it, go together really good. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, enjoy, be safe.